Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam download not working. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If Steam downloads are not working, it can be due to various issues such as Steam settings, network problems, or corrupted files. Here are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First method, completely exit Steam by right-clicking the Steam icon and the hidden icons and just selecting exit. Reopen Steam and try downloading again. Next method, sometimes a simple restart can resolve download issues. Another method, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Restart your router or modem if necessary. Next method, open Steam, then go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, then click on Clear Download Cache. This will log you out of Steam, so you will need to log back in. Another method, still on Downloads, on the download region, choose a different region. Sometimes changing the download region can resolve download issues. Next method, right-click on the game and your Steam library, then choose to click Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and repair any corrupted or missing files. Another method, find Steam in Windows, then choose to click Run as Administrator. This can help resolve permission issues that might be preventing downloads. Next method, ensure your operating system is up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Next method, ensure you have enough disk space on the drive where Steam is installed. Lack of space can prevent downloads from completing. Another method, open the command prompt as an administrator. Type the codes and just press enter. Restart your PC and try downloading again. Another method, open the command prompt as an administrator. Then type the following commands, one by one, link in the description below, and press enter after each. After you do this, restart your PC and try downloading again. Another method, go to Steam, Settings, Storage, click or choose your drive folder, then hit on the three dots, then click Repair Library folder. Another method, as a last resort, consider installing Steam. Make sure to back up your game data and save files, and install Steam via Control Panel, Programs and Features. Find the Steam, right-click on it, and click on the Uninstall. Download and install the latest version of Steam from the official Steam website. Now, if none of the above steps work, contact Steam support for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.